So, ma'am, I have one question for you. That the question is nowadays English is very important, no doubt, and there are we can see there are multiple apps, and those apps say that join this application so you will be fluent in English within a 1 month and within a 2 months, and some application say that join this use this application so you will be fluent
Yeah.
within a 15 days. So what's your opinion regarding it?
No, nothing. These applications, it's a hoax, like it's not true. Like it's how can a person learn within few months only, like 3 months? There are so many ads within 3 months a person will be fluent. But it's not that. We have to be consistent for a long time. At least I think at least it takes a year to be fluent actually. If a person starts with
Yes,
the basics, yeah. So initial, everyone has to work hard, be consistent every time. And the foremost thing is to stay patient. We have to have a good patience of heart. Sometimes,
yes,
we feel dejected that it's been already 5 months, it's been 6 months, and I'm not up to that level of my what I desire. But
yeah,
actually, this is not the thing. Even I thought initially, like when it was 3 months or 4 months, like people say within 3 months a person can be fluent. But it didn't happen with me actually. It took almost a year. So I
yeah.
tell everyone, it takes time. But nobody can learn within 3 or 4 months. What I say is that, according to my opinion, it's very difficult to learn within 3 months. See, in few months we need to have a confidence. Our confidence develops with time, not in like 15 days or 20 days. It takes time to be confident, actually.
Yeah,
So, yeah, confident, and we have to like know some vocabularies or not define good vocabulary, at least the simple ones, at least the simple ones.
yes,
So we need to be confident. Then only be consistent every time, and speaking and listening. Do both these things. Then only we'll be like speaking. We'll be fluent. After that, after working for long on our speaking and listening power, that should be great. Only after that a person can be fluent. Yes, that's
yes.
it.
I also yes, ma'am. I see eye to eye with you. Since I have been learning this language. Like no, since 2021, and I started my journey at that time. And after that, I was not that much confident, and that's why
Yeah.
I joined this application. I joined that application, Skype application, and you also at that time you also joined that
Yes, yes.
application.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
started
Yeah,
and we
yeah,
and
yeah.
we started our journey together. So, and I'm saying it from my personal experience that there are so many apps, and those apps say that use this application, and you nowadays English is very important, and if you join this application you will be fluent within a
Yes.
15 days and 20 days. And
Mm.
then when I watch this kind of ads, and I got quite shocked that how is it possible. It is not possible. A person who doesn't have any knowledge regarding this language, and how he or she can be fluent in
Yes.
English within a 15 days and 20 days.
Yes.
So
It can't
uh,
happen.
yes, yes, sometimes yes, when I communicate with anyone, any co-learner, at that time I'm quite confident and I'm able to manage myself. But the problem is when I conduct session, not session, when I take a class when I joined English Yari, at that time I realized that they teachers, they are ready to catch, they can catch my mistake easily. And at that time
Yes.
I was not able to catch my mistake where I'm making mistake. I have lots of problem, I'm not problem that like, I have
Yeah.
some kind of grammatical
Yeah.
mistake. I do some
Yes. Yes.
lots of mistake, and sometimes my sentence formation, sentence structures is
Was
not
wrong.
good. But
Yeah.
yes, totally. So I realized that how is it possible. I don't want to mention any kind of app, but I when I saw those kind of app, and there are some people, they said, oh my god, to believe me, to 15 days ago I was not able to speak English. I was not able to a single word of English, but after joining this application
Yes.
I am able to fluent in this language.
Yeah.
So I don't know why they like no, why they this kind of promotion just because of that money.
Yeah. Maybe just because of that. Maybe they want to like. They give so many kinds of ads. But I say to people also, never believe on that. never trust on that. It is your own power that works, that you have to be, what to say, you have to develop your own potential, like nobody can do in some few months or few days, It's not a thing. Like there was one proverb, that Rome was not built in a day. So the
Yes.
same thing applies over here also. Nothing is done like in a hurry, like in quickly. It takes definitely takes the time. So I mean to say these ads are very much, people are foolish who think that in 3 months we can be fluent. And if they are not fluent, then they are so dejected that time. Why I'm not able to do. So these kind of things
Yes.
happen. Yeah.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
what's your opinion, ma'am, regarding YouTube? Do you think a
Yeah.
person can be fluent if he continuously watch YouTube videos?
No, actually, not watching the videos. Yeah, I mean to say the trainer. There are so many videos of the good trainers, like English Yadi clapping. So instead of watching
Yeah.
the YouTubers conversation, though even I was like, even I upload my, one video. But the thing is that better to watch those, the trainers' videos. They are very nice.
Yes.
I
Yes.
watched you had a session with Raj
Nanda
Gopal
Kumar.
and something, Nand Kumar,
Nanda
something like
Kumar.
that. Yes. And I watched each and every video of yours, Like it was very nice. So instead of watching these local kind of videos, it's better to watch some trainers' video. Definitely, they give us so many ideas. They give us so many, like how to work on our fluency, how to be better. And there's so many good words we grab from them, and we get so many good ideas. So better to watch good videos and like develop yourself, and definitely we will gain something or the other when we watch those kind of videos. They are very beneficial, very helpful. So definitely watching and listening, though we are not speaking that time, but watching and listening also helps a lot.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
When, yes, yes. I
Yeah.
also agree with you, ma'am. YouTube is I can say that it's a very good platform where we can
Yes.
learn English. Yes. I'm saying it from my personal experience, and as you mentioned that those kind of videos, especially like English videos, clap English videos,
Yeah.
which kind of session we conduct with a tutor,
Yes.
those kind of videos are really very fruitful for everyone.
Well,
And when
yes.
we watch those kind of videos, and we when we watch those kind of videos, we learn so many things from
Right.
those kind of videos.
Right.
Yes, and they are tutor, they are expert, and they know
Yes.
very well how to guide these students, how to guide these learners. Because
Yes.
when we conduct session with a tutor, and at the beginning of our conversation, tutor can understand that where he that person is making that person
Ah.
is making
Yes.
mistake. So, and
Yes.
how should I what kind of teaching method should I give him or her. So
Yes.
they are
Definitely.
very expert and they know everything. So those kind of videos are really very helpful. And instead of a person who is
Ah.
very beginner, so instead of joining any kind of platform, they don't have any idea, and I'm just joining any platform and I'm spending lots of money. I'm spending lots of money, and those sessions are I can say that 20 minutes, 15 minutes, whereas I don't have
Yes.
any idea. I'm just, when 20 minutes has done, they will end up the session.
Yeah.
So
Right.
what we
Yeah.
what we
And
learn from those kind of
definitely.
session. So instead of spending lots of money, in terms of, I can say that if a person watch this kind of videos, those videos are really very fruitful for
Yes. Yes.
everyone.
Right. And this
And what
conversational video like we are doing now, suppose somebody is making a lot of mistake, but we never dare to point out the mistakes of the other person, especially on the video calls, right? We
yes,
feel, yeah, and we never mark the mistake, but we should. But how we think is that maybe the other person minds it if we are correcting
yes,
that person. So
yes, yes,
so when we have the session with the good trainers, they guide us. If we make mistakes, they correct us over there and then only, right? So that is
yes,
a good, to instead of watching the conversation video, better to watch them, and we learn so many, and and there were few mistakes also we do with the trainers. So that is what I'm telling you. They guide us on the very same, same time. But here nobody points out the mistake of each and everyone. It
yes,
happened.
yes.
We
When we
had we had a group discussion. I don't want to mention the person's name and not also on what application we had. So we had, you know,
Mm.
and some girl pointed out the mistake of the other
Mistake.
person. Huh. And that the person who was making mistake, that girl, she felt very bad. And
Yes.
she told, excuse me, ma'am, why you're pointing out to me? Even you make mistakes sometimes, but I never dared to point you out, you know. And they and they and they, you know, conflict started at that same time, you know, like it was so much a hustle and bustle, like chaos on that time. And some girl, you know, she left at the very moment, and it was closed. The session was closed, you know. So what do you say? The people mind when we point out their mistake. So better to watch the trainers. At least we'll grab something good from them, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, yes, I agree with you, ma'am. Here we all are learner. Most of the
yeah,
people are learner in this group, and
yeah,
my English is not good, and I'm ready to catch your mistake, ma'am. Here you are making mistake, ma'am. Here your sentence
yeah.
is wrong. No, I have to focus on myself.
Yes, right, right.
Yes, and because here we are learner, but when we conduct session with expert, they have the right. They can catch
They
our
have the
mistake.
right. Yeah.
Yes, because
And
we pay something
And we
for
never
it.
mind, you know, like we never mind, you know, like, and one should not mind. Actually, on these applications, when we do normal conversation on WhatsApp, there are so many applications, people shouldn't mind, you know, if somebody is, pointing out a mistake. So it's good. At least we are learning from our co-learners also.
Yes.
But the thing is, not everybody is patient. Some people mind it very badly, and some take it very easily. So it happens, you know, yeah.
Yes, we are human. Yeah.
Yes.
So, ma'am, I don't have any other question for you,
Yeah.
and it's 15 minutes has done. So, do you
Yes.
have any question for me?
No, I only wanted to ask you that are you working on this GeoMeet application or any other also?
If you want to record the session, then you don't have laptop. Do you have laptop?
Yeah, it's lying over there, but I need to change its battery. So it's not working. And for the battery also, I have to go very far. And my husband is not
Yes.
there, so
Now,
it's like,
now your laptop is out of like no what was it? I forget that line. Out of order.
yes, because I need to change its battery. After that only it will work. And maybe it will
So
work or not. I bought it in 2012, so it's very old one, you know.
okay. So yeah. So then you have to do. You can conduct session only on Geo Meet because you can't record the session
Yes, yes.
on Zoom.
Yes, on GeoMeet I can do.
Geo Meet you can do.
Yes, yes.
So have you conducted any session as a host with
Yes, many
anyone?
sessions. Yeah, yeah, many sessions. Earlier than May, because before my
But
husband was
earlier
there.
it was no. But the problem is, ma'am. Earlier it was easy. That application was easy. Nowadays it is like that. The features of that application is
Yes,
changes.
yes, something new. GeoMeet was very simple that time. Now it's a bit
But
complicated one. Yeah, I thought it's for me only. Okay, it's a
no,
new
no,
one now.
it's
GeoMeet is
for
a new one.
everyone.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
that's why like now I started taking session
Hmm.
in the month of in the end of the October. But
Okay.
yes, before October, yes, I was not able to send the link with
Oh,
anyone.
okay. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, okay.
because I don't know. Yes, now it is. I think you know about it. Do you know? Now you know. Do you know how
Yes,
to
yes,
send the
I
link?
know. Yes, yes, I know about GeoMeet. Yes, I know. So now you will
Okay.
get the recording. Now you have sent me the link, so you will get the
Yes, yes,
recording, right?
yes.
Okay.
Because I conduct this session as a host. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Bye then, Rimpi.
Yes, yes. Bye. And
Okay.
it is
Bye.
a really nice
Yes.
conversation with you, ma'am.
Same here. Same here.
After a long time.
Yes, after a long time. Okay.
Oh,
Bye bye. And again,
bye.
hope to meet you soon. Yes. Bye.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Bye.